on the delivery trail. So today we are at the Constant Spring Police Station. Officer say, on duty, might take 3 months through the fence. I don't know. See my way, but hey, this is what the officer want to do. This is what we're gonna do. Constant Spring Police Station. So we're on the delivery trail, and as I said before, we're at Constant Spring Police Station. Officer came out and grabbed his package, but unfortunately, he can't be on camera for this one. So, in the background. So we are, wasn't able to find out exactly how he feels about the service, but he expressed that, yeah, he's really liking the service, that we're able to take it to him while he's on duty at work, get him thing off. Bossy don't have to know, say he's a top shopper, not shopper, shopper. Bossy don't have to know that he's a top shopper. And he's off and happy with our service, and we're happy to serve, just like he's happy to serve our country. This is how we are on the delivery trail, making sure that everybody, no matter where you are and who you are, get your package on time, because we have lives outside of our jobs, don't we? We do. Have a good one. That's how we are.